Okay, let us see how to create second question. This displayed question of 11th week. Okay, how to create this model using primitives. Primitives means predefined shapes. Okay, block, cube, box, cylinder. Likewise, that is called primitives. Okay, we will create separately this block, then this block, bottom block, upper block. Likewise, we will create. Okay. Bottom block, when saying bottom block, this is length is block length is 150 and height is 20. Okay, three-dimensional object. Similar way, this block is this overall 60. What is 60 means? Okay, let us create this box initially. 60, 30, 50. Okay. Likewise, from here we will draw the bottom box. Okay. From here means that is 100 minus 30 will gives you 70. Okay. Likewise, we will create. We will move on to AutoCAD. Some settings to be followed. First setting, 3D modeling. Workspace switching into 3D modeling. Okay. Second setting, auto mode, F8, and third setting, keep your view into top view into SW isometric. Okay, as per your question, you keep this view here. And now take box. I set units and limits. I already set you basic commands, units and limits, so that directly we will go for creating the primitives. Okay. Select box, the base plate. I am this. Let us have a look. This block I am creating 60, 30, 50. Okay. You select the box. After selecting, you click anywhere on the screen, and it will show the cube length. Two options. You select length. Length of the block is 30, 30, enter, and width of the box, escape, select box again, click it, and length, L, enter, length is 30, enter, and width is 70, 50, enter, and height is 60. Okay, enter. The box is created. If you have a look in this is 2D wireframe, go to conceptual, you can see that solid thing created. Okay. Similar way, we can create another box of click length L. Length should be 70, enter, width should be 50, enter, and height will be 20. Understand? Enter. Now we have to, after creating these two primitives, let us keep it in the same position and make it single solid. This is two solids. Using Boolean operation, we will go for union command. Before creating, you will keep your model into 2D wireframe. Then only you can easily catch the corners while moving. Okay, and then move it first. Move command, select object, enter, keep this base point. Base point means initial reference point, and second base point, this point. It is moved together. Okay, and then this is separate solid, this is separate solid. If you select, you can see that it is separately selected, so that it should be merged together. That is called union. If you go to solid topic, you can see the under Boolean topic, union, subtract, intersect. Okay, you select the union, select all the object to be union together, select both, enter. Okay, understand? Now it is merged together. It is a single solid now. That is the command called union. Then come to home. Here also you are having boolean operation. So here also you can take. Okay. Then again cylindrical, this cut. Okay. You select create a cylinder separately. I say cylinder center point. You click anywhere and it is asking radius. What is the radius in your diagram? See 15. This is a diameter 30, radius 15. Then you give the radius 15. Enter, and height will be height of this 60. Okay. Then you move it and place it here, top edge center, and we will go for boolean operation subtract. Select the object. First move. Center point of the top should be placed over center point of the top edge. Okay. Now you should go for subtract. Solid subtract. Select bigger component first, enter, and then smaller next. Second one will be subtracted. Understand? Now coming to the dovetail, bottom of this. First we will create the box. Then after we will taper the face. Okay, taper face. This surface can be tapered. Okay, let us create box. Click anywhere. Length option you take, and length will be 30, and width will be 50, height will be 10. That box solid you create, and initially you place it, this box at the corner. First initial this here. Okay. Thereafter you can move it 20 mm inside. Move. While moving, you keep your ensure that you are in ortho mode. Then only it will move in straight line. Okay. Select object. You are in ortho mode is switched on. Enter and place the cursor anywhere and show the direction of movement. If you move the cursor this direction, it will move in that. You move upward movement. Okay, downward, likewise. You move this direction and enter. How much distance? 20. Enter. It is moved. Now, this solid should be subtract from this solid in order to get that cavity. Subtract. Go to solid, subtract. Select the bigger component first. Enter. And smaller component last. Enter. While adding union, subtracting, keep your model into wireframe. Then only you can select the solid easily. Okay, and we will see that conceptual or realistic mode. You can see that your object is partially prepared. Okay, now this surface, vertical surface, bottom should be angled 45 degree. See that 45 degree, so that you can go for taper face option. Okay, that option is in solid mode here, taper face. Okay, select the option and it will ask to select the face. This surface you select, enter, and initially it will ask to select the base point. This is base point 1, base point 2, this one, and angle of taper angle 45 degree, what is given in your question. It will be tapered. Enter. Okay, similar way you rotate your component. Okay, rotation can be done by a manual or else you go under SE isometric or SW isometric, or here also you can rotate it. I will tell you how to rotate. Press the hold the shift key and middle mouse button, drag the mouse. Manually you can rotate. Hold the shift key and middle mouse button, drag the mouse. Okay. And then tap or face. This side also you go for that option. Select the face, enter, and 2 points, bottom point as well as this top point, and angle 45. Okay, it will be tapered. Dovetail taken. Okay. And then finally a rib shape. Okay. A rib shape. This can be done with a chamfer. Okay. Chamfer. Initially you create that vertical plate and then chamfer. Keep this into proper SW isometric view and then go for box. Click L option, L for length option, and this length is 70. Enter. This width is 10. Enter. This height is 60. Overall height 60. This base plate 20. Then 40. This height is 40. Okay. Now you can see wireframe. This one. Okay. This edge should be chamfered. Okay. That is in solid mode. A fillet edge open, chamfer edge. Select the common edge. This is the common edge. Distance. First distance will be 40. This is the first distance. Vertical distance is 40. Then horizontal distance, this distance is 70. That's all. Enter, enter. The chamfer is taken. Okay. Now let us move it and place it. Select object, move command. Simple move command. Catch this middle of the edge. Switch off ortho because it will move in straight line. And second point will be the middle of this edge, solid edge. It is placed. Now this is separate solid. This is separate solid. In order to merge it together, you go to union command. Select this solid and this solid. Enter. It is joined together. A single solid. Okay. The model is created. If you see, you can go for realistic. You can see that, or conceptual. Any mode you can see. Shade and mode. If you want to go for coloring, double click on it. System very slow. So double click on it. This dialog box will come. You can change. First one is coloring. You can change any color, yellow or any color. Simply select it. Color will be changed. Okay. Now, I hope that you understood this. Thank you.